We
అన్న మ్యూజిక్
okay.
ఓకేనా
Namaskaram. Today I'm at the inaugural of Kaveri, a beautiful, sustainable brand coming to Hyderabad for the first time. Ante sustainable ante linen fabrics, which are very breathable and they're natural and they are biodegradable, and they've used very natural dyes and very breathable fabrics to create this brand. I've been following Kaveri, the designer, for a while now, and I'm so happy that these young entrepreneurs have brought her to Hyderabad. As you can see, I'm wearing Kaveri today, and I'm looking forward to seeing their collection. And I hope you, all the viewers, visit the store and explore what slow fashion means, which is something that's close to nature and that doesn't harm nature, and that is very comfortable and sustainable to wear.
మీకు ఎలాంటి కలెక్షన్ అంటే ఇష్టం అంటే ఎలాంటి ఫ్యాబ్రిక్లో ఎక్కువగా మీరు వేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారు
Okay, sure. Be yourself.
మరి ఇంకోటి మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళకంటే నాగార్జున గారికైనా లేకపోతే అఖిల్ గారికి నాగ చైతన్య గారికి చెప్తుంటారా ఇలాంటి డ్రెస్సింగ్ వేసుకోవాలి ఇప్పుడు సమ్మర్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి అంటే ఒక తల్లిలాగా ఉండి
Assal ledu. I think they all have very sensitive skin, so they all choose to wear fabrics that are breathable. And if you wear synthetic and lot of chemicals, then you get rashes. And as actors, they have to change their clothes a lot, and they have to wear different costumes. And if you wear things that are not you're not conscious about, you can get rashes and you can get skin allergies. So I think as actors we also learn to be very sensitive on the skin. We have sensitive hearts and we have sensitive skin also.
ఒకసారిగా ఇన్సైడ్ కలెక్షన్ చూసినప్పుడు ఎట్లా
అంటే ఏదో స్వర్గలోకంలో ఉన్నాను. ఇది చిన్న ఫెయిరీస్ వస్తాయి, ఫెయిరీస్ ఇది ఇటువంటివి వేసుకుంటాయని. బట్ జోక్స్ అపార్ట్, ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ అ గర్ల్స్ ప్యారడైస్. ఎనీ గర్ల్ వుడ్ వాక్ ఇన్ హియర్, ఎనీ లేడీ వుడ్ వాక్ ఇన్ హియర్ అండ్ ఫీల్ excited and happy to see the collection.
మీ అభిమానులకు అప్డేట్స్ అంటే ఏం చెప్తారు?
Yes, na prema. Summer is coming. Stay cool, stay fresh, be sustainable.
ఈ వాయిస్ పెట్స్ గురించి ఒక వాయిస్ ఉంటుంది కదా ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇప్పుడు సమ్మర్ వస్తుంది వాటర్ పెట్టమని ఏదైనా
So that's what. Paryavarnam Samrakshana, conserve water, give the animals and birds water. It's going to be a harsh summer, so we should all get prepared and wear cottons.
And lastly,
Yes. Huh?
Yeah, Women's Day
Women's Day, yes, of course.
కొన్ని ఒక మెసేజ్ ఇచ్చేసి
అంటే ఉమెన్స్ డే సందర్భంగా ఐ హ్యావ్ అ రిక్వెస్ట్ టు ఆల్ ద వ్యూవర్స్. ఒక ఎస్సే నైజీరియన్ ఆథర్ చిమమాండా అడిచి అని నైజీరియన్ ఆథర్ రాశారు, 16 ways to bring my daughter up a feminist. చాలా మంచి ఎస్సే, అది అందరు చదివి, ఇది డాటర్ మాత్రం కాదు, 16 ways to bring our sons and daughters up feminist. ప్రతి ఒక్కరు ఫెమినిస్ట్గా ఉంటేనే ఉమెన్స్ ఎంపవర్మెంట్ అవుతాయి. Wish you all a very happy Women's Day and thank you to all the men who support the women in their lives. Yes. So I personally నేను ఎప్పుడో నుంచి కాటన్సే వేసుకుంటాను, ఎక్కువ కాటన్స్ వేసుకుంటాను. ఈ మధ్యకాలం ఒక అహింస సిల్క్ కూడా వచ్చింది, దట్ ఈస్ ఏరీ సిల్క్. బట్ ఐ లవ్ కాటన్స్ అండ్ అందరు అంటారు అందులో మీకే ధైర్యం ఉంది, పెళ్ళికి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు కాటన్ వేసుకుని వెళ్తావు. I think I started a trend.
Absolutely. I mean, everybody is going to agree. That is why you're the brand ambassador for everything cotton, maybe, and sustainability, of course.
Start again.
Before anything, I said thank you so much to Amla Garu for gracing us with her presence. And Andru, they all know that she's very, very simple, but we've seen it firsthand, and I couldn't have, wanted it any better, ma'am. Thank you so much for coming and supporting whatever you've been standing up for. And the brand Kaveri also stands up for a lot of sustainable, wearable linens. So it's a brand from Chennai, and we're having the franchise here in Hyderabad. So the designer herself is a visionary. She's been doing this for a while now, and we're so happy to be associated with Kaveri and bringing this here. And it's not just a random brand. అంటే ఫ్యాషన్ అంటే చాలా మంది చాలా బ్రాండ్స్ వస్తున్నాయి, మనం ఎక్కడ చూసిన ఫ్యాషన్ సీన్ has been like all over the place anyways, but Kaveri for us is like a nice icon for what she's been standing for always, for sustainability since a really long time, for breathable fashion, for slow fashion, and ఇవన్నీ వేసుకోవడానికి చాలా ఫ్యాషనబుల్గా ఉండడానికి. అంటే ఏదో ఖాదీ లినెన్ అనగానే ఏదో ఓల్డ్ స్టైల్ క్లాత్ అన్న ఫీలింగ్ మనకి, బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ హర్ clothes, you'll know how fashionable and stylish they are. So we're so glad to get her to Hyderabad, and we're so glad to be associated with her in Hyderabad. And ఇదేం మేము కొత్తగా ఏం తన్నేం ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేయట్లేదు, షీస్ బీన్ వెరీ వెరీ పాపులర్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ and everybody knows about her. It's just that more audience need to buy Kaveri, so more people know how they can wear good sustainable clothes and get into slow fashion now, from fast fashion that's happening everywhere. So I would want her to say a few words about Hyderabad.
For many years now, and I've always got such a positive response. And when I first started, everybody used to ask me, what is linen? Is linen jute? Is linen khadi? I said no, linen is linen. And linen now over the last 10 years has become very popular. It is perfect for the Indian weather, Indian summer. Linen is hypoallergenic, means that you won't get any allergies, it's not uncomfortable, it's a breathable fabric. As it gets hotter, it absorbs the heat from your skin, and it cools you down, and it's very breathable, very comfortable. So I don't know why it's taken Indians so long to wear linen. So linen is our choice of fabric, and started out simply because I love it, and I think everyone should and appreciate it. I also want to talk about something else that our brand stands for very strongly, which is body positivity and inclusivity. We make garments that are for the real woman. We don't go by what is the industry standards of sizes and fits. So it's body positivity, it's inclusivity, and it's made specially for you. And it's a clothes that make you, as you wake up in the morning and as you step out, makes you feel every day beautiful. So that is our tagline, and what we strive for is to make women feel beautiful from the inside And if you're feeling good from inside, you will look beautiful outside. So that is all about Kaveri. And thank you very much. We're thrilled to be here in Hyderabad. And thank